How to prepare barley tea at home. Barley tea, also known as roasted barley tea or mugicha in Japanese, is a popular beverage in many parts of the world, particularly in Asia. It is made from roasted barley grains and has a unique, nutty, refreshing, and satisfying flavor. If you're interested in making your barley tea at home, here's everything you need to know. To prepare barley tea at home, you will need the following ingredients: 1 cup barley grains, 8 cups water. Sweeteners like honey or sugar, lemon slices, mint leaves 1. Rinse the barley grains in a fine mesh strainer to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Add the barley grains and 8 cups of water to a large pot. 3. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. 4. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20-30 minutes. This will allow the barley grains to release their flavor and aroma. 5. After 20-30 minutes, remove the pot from heat and let the barley tea cool for a few minutes. 6. Strain the barley tea through a fine mesh strainer into a pitcher or large jar. Discard the barley grains. 7. Let the barley tea cool to room temperature or refrigerate it for a few hours to serve it cold. 8. If desired, add sweeteners like honey or sugar to taste, lemon slices or mint leaves for added flavor. Tips for preparing barley tea. Choose high-quality barley grains. The quality of the barley grains you use will impact the taste and overall quality of your barley tea. Look for high-quality roasted barley grains at your local grocery store or online. You can adjust the amount of barley grains and water to your liking. For a stronger tea, use more barley grains or less water. You can also experiment with different roasting levels of barley grains to find your preferred flavor. Barley tea can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. Serve hot or cold. Barley tea can be served hot or cold, depending on your preference. If you prefer it cold, let the tea cool and then store it in the fridge. You can also add ice cubes to the tea to make it extra refreshing on hot summer days. Barley tea can be enjoyed in different ways, depending on personal preference and taste. Here are some barley tea options to try. Cold barley tea. Cold barley tea is a refreshing beverage that can be enjoyed on hot summer days. After brewing the tea, let it cool and store it in the refrigerator. You can add ice cubes and lemon slices to the tea for extra flavor. Barley tea with lemon. Adding lemon to barley tea can enhance flavor and provide additional health benefits. Slice a lemon and add it to your barley tea before serving. Barley tea with honey. If you prefer your tea sweet, you can add honey to your barley tea. This can provide a natural sweetener while also adding additional health benefits. Simply add a teaspoon of honey to your tea and stir until it is fully dissolved. Barley tea latte. Barley tea can also be used as a base for a latte. Add steamed milk and a dash of cinnamon to your brewed barley tea to make a barley tea latte. You can also add honey or other sweeteners if desired. Barley tea smoothie. Barley tea can be used as a base for a healthy smoothie. Simply blend together barley tea, frozen berries, banana, and yogurt for a nutritious and delicious breakfast or snack. Health benefits of barley tea. Here are some of the health benefits of barley tea. Lowers cholesterol. Barley tea contains soluble fiber that can help reduce cholesterol levels in the blood. High levels of cholesterol are a major risk factor for heart disease, so adding barley tea to your diet can help improve cardiovascular health. Promotes relaxation. Barley tea contains theanine, an amino acid that can help reduce stress and anxiety. It can also promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Supports weight loss. Barley tea is low in calories and rich in fiber, which can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite. Drinking barley tea regularly can help support weight loss efforts. Contains essential nutrients. Barley tea contains essential nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6. These nutrients are important for maintaining good health and are essential for many bodily functions. Promotes hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for good health, and drinking barley tea is a great way to stay hydrated throughout the day. Barley tea is a non-caffeinated beverage, so it can be a good alternative to coffee or tea, which can be dehydrating due to their caffeine content.